GPT-5 is here, and you can now do things with AI that seemed impossible just months ago. This new OpenAI model is setting a new standard for what large language models can accomplish in coding, math, science, research, and interactive applications, while keeping improvements in usability, transparency, and accuracy at the forefront. Let's jump into some of the most remarkable things you can do with GPT-5. With a single detailed prompt, GPT-5 can create interactive visual simulations. Ask it for a beehive construction simulator with sliders for colony size and resource availability, and it will produce a standalone HTML file where you can watch bees gather pollen, expand the hive, and adjust settings. Completely zero-shot, with no follow-up required. The interface doesn't just generate code, it provides a working simulation, complete with pause, reset, and real-time controls. Code generation moves far beyond simple calculators or Hello World apps. GPT-5 writes complete games and visualizers. You can ask it to generate a full 3D racing game with neon-lit cyberpunk tracks, speed boosts, and collision physics, again in a single HTML file. After generation, you get a playable 3D game with working boost pads, collisions, and interactive gameplay. Controls like WASD, live physics, and more are all built in, showcasing how far AI code interpreters have come. It also shines in physics and engineering tasks. Give it a challenge to make a fluid dynamics visualizer with adjustable parameters, and it creates a colorful canvas where you can drag your mouse to add dye, change viscosity, adjust dissipation, and see swirling, mixing flows in real time. As a user, you can randomize colors, clear the canvas, and experiment all from one initial prompt. For rendering and graphics, GPT-5 is moving into true next-generation territory. Ask it for a real-time ray tracing simulation featuring a metallic sphere in a 3D street view with adjustable properties like roughness, metalness, and exposure, and GPT-5 will output code that renders and animates all these elements. With just a single click, you can toggle material qualities, adjust lighting, and manipulate the object's size, making this suitable for both education and creative experimentation. Need a real Photoshop alternative? GPT-5 can build a working multi-layer editor with brushes, fill tools, shape tools, selection, text, zoom, opacity, layer modes, and color filters, all in an HTML package ready for use. For video editing, GPT-5 can make a web-based app that lets you upload footage and instantly apply advanced effects. Grayscale, sepia, blur, sharpen, pixelate, even edge detection and color curves, side by side before and after, just like commercial tools. Science and research queries are another strong point. Give GPT-5 a prompt like, create a business intelligence report on e-commerce growth in Asia from 2020 to 2025. Enable its web search and it will synthesize information from reliable sources, including citations and tables. On top of all this, GPT-5 is agentic. It can complete multi-step tasks. For example, you can ask it to generate a 5-page storybook about a frog who wants to be rich with new images for each page. In agent mode, it creates all the story content, generates a set of images, runs a Python script, and bundles everything into a downloadable PDF. While image consistency is not yet perfect across every page, the AI organizes, creates, and packages the entire project without further prompting. There are some things that GPT-5 does less well. For instance, text rendering in generated images is still hit or miss with much gibberish and broken fonts, and generating images from scratch does not come with a brand new image model. GPT-5 relies on GPT-4.0 for most visual outputs. On really complex or crowded images, like scenes with multiple animals or humans in dynamic poses, there may still be anatomical quirks or AI mistakes, and while most coding outputs run out of the box, some advanced requests might have minor bugs that need follow-up prompts for fixes. When comparing hallucination, how often the model makes up facts, GPT-5 now claims the lowest rates in tested benchmarks like confabulations, beating even Gemini 2.5 Pro and Qwen 3. It is especially strong in health-related benchmarks for both accuracy and low hallucination. Benchmarks and competition show just how competitive GPT-5 is. On LM Arena and artificial analysis leaderboards, it holds number 1 in coding, math, creative writing, complex queries, and long-form analysis. In SWE Bench for engineering and code, GPT-5 edges out Claude Opus 4.1. For creative work and confabulation, false claims, GPT-5 leads the pack. In challenging areas like Health Bench Hard, GPT-5 Pro manages a hallucination rate of just 1.6%, well below the competition. On price, GPT-5 keeps things accessible. At $3.40 per million tokens for the high version, it is the same as Gemini 2.5 Pro and notably less expensive than Grok 4, while often outperforming its rivals across benchmark categories. GPT-5 is available directly in ChatGPT for both free and paid users. On a free plan, you'll get a limited number of high-powered GPT-5 responses per day. On a paid plan, you can explicitly select GPT-5 and get the full experience as showcased here. In summary, GPT-5 stands out for its accuracy, adaptability, reduced hallucination, and agentic abilities. It produces high-quality code, complex apps, visualizations, short and sharp research summaries, and better creative content, all while being competitive on price and ease of access. The progress is astonishing, and the pace of improvement promises even more in the weeks ahead. Whether GPT-5 is the absolute best for every single task, that's up to you. New models from Google, Anthropic, and xAI are always just around the corner. But right now, GPT-5 is setting the standard for what AI can do, and it's available to everyone. Try it out and see where this new generation of AI can take your ideas next.